Hello, today I will talking about how to create an emoji. So we will choose just one emoji. So I have multiple emoji. So we will try to do this one. So this is the first step that I will do. So I will do just a capture of that, just to keep it that in memory and to use that in the paint to see exactly what we need. Okay, so actually I have created an empty project, as you can see, in Angular, but the goal is not to do an application in Angular, it's just to see the HTML and the CSS. So we will do everything in Vectorial. I go to the paint, I pass this image, and I will just watch the height and the width of this shape. So as you can see, it's around 155, but we will we will go for this size. So I will go here and we go to create some CSS for that. So the first things that I will create is just the emoji himself. So as you can see here, I will create just a square of 155 and a height of 155. I hope you follow me. So we go here, we take this value, we put the class on the div actually, and we can close this thing. Okay, pretty good. Why we don't see nothing? Because we don't have a color. So I will put the same color that we have here. So to be simplified, I go here, I take the color here, and we can see that it's a 254. So I have the RGB 2X from Google. So here I will convert to an hexadecimal here. I hope it's okay. So we have exactly the same color than here. So I will just apply that for the background color here. Okay. So this is good, we have the shape, but it's not circle. So we will do that circle now with 50%. So it will be exactly a circle. Actually, we need a border also. So I will put just a border on this. And we will put that for the moment black. Okay. We need to see the size of the border. So what I do, I go here. I check the size. Okay, so it's almost to be precise, we have almost 11, so we will do that. Okay, this is good. So now we have the shape. I will go for the black here, but it's exactly the same. When you have the name of the color, it's just substitute the real color here, like you can see. Okay, so far so good, we can continue. We will use the display flex with two zones, one the zone for the eye and one zone for the mouth. So I will create the display flex here, and we can use the flex direction to the column. Okay, so we will use another div inside, and we need two divs. So we need just one div for the eyes container. So I will put eyes, and for the mouth below. Okay, this is good. We go here. I create for the eyes and also for the mouth here. Okay. What we can do, we can use the display flex and we can use some color just to see what we are manipulating. So I will just put another color here for purple, for example, and I will do another color here for blue, for example. Okay, we see nothing because there is no width of size. So we go for the flex basis. Please use instruction from the flex if you are using flex. So this is 50%, and also here we can use the flex for the part below. Okay, this is really good. What we do inside, we need for the first part, we need the eyes. As you can see, this is a half of circle with a border, so we can imagine just like this to simplify. So we will create the two elements that we can see below here. Okay, I'll go here. I will create the two zone here. We need one eyes for the left, and we need another eyes for the right. We can start like this, so you will have two eyes. Okay, I hope is it always okay. What I do, I use the powerful of the flex here. So we have just one eyes, okay. But what we need, we have the container with the eyes, so I will do just a display flex on these things, and I will do the flex direction for the row, because we need two rows. Okay, I hope you always follow me. And here, the eyes, we don't know the size, so I will just take some information from here. So we need to see what's, you know, the size of this thing. So approximately it will be 40. Okay, so what we can do, this is the half, so we can imagine it's the double if we go on the top. So we go here, we put white of you know, of this color, and we can put another color just to see if we are okay with that. Okay, so as you can see, we have the flex basis, and we have put 50% for this. Okay, this is good. We have the flex direction, we have put one eyes, and we have put the thing. So I will put another element here, so we can put here, this is okay. So we have the flex direction for the row, but now what we need to do, we can display these things. Okay. Okay, so we have everything. I go here, I go for one eyes and for the other. This seems good. Okay, so what we need to do actually, maybe it's that because I have put the flex basis here. Okay, so there is the flex direction. Okay, okay, so we can continue. Just we will put some background color here in black, and I will put the border radius because we need to see inside. Okay, this is much better. Now we can do you know, the border. So I will do the border, and we can use the border with another color just to see if we have a correct border here. So this is solid, sorry, and we have the color. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so what we can do now, you know, this is transparent. Okay, so what I will do, it's just smaller also because we have the half of the size, so I will go for this size. Okay, and also what we can do here, yeah, you have this size. You can put the eyes inside of two container, so it will be more easy, okay, to manage that. So what we do here, we will do two container for the eyes. So this is our eye container. Okay, and we can put the eyes inside, and we have another container here for the other eyes. Okay, this is good. I hope you always follow me. So we go to the I container. What we do, I go here. Just remember it's a flex, so I will use the flex basis to be 50% for everyone. Okay. We have a 2i container. So if we go here, we have the flex direction. This is perfect. And I will just to watch if everything is okay. So I will put another color here. As you can see, we have the flex is there. So now I will center the flex contain. So yeah, sorry, justify. Oh, sorry, I forget just the comma point. So justified contain. We go for the center. Okay. And we go for the align items for the center. Yeah, I always forget the command point. Okay. And now, yeah, as you can see, this is there. Okay. So we have the things here, and now inside we have some display flex. So this is mean the eyes are also in display flex. Okay, this is really good. So as you can see, this is in the center. Okay, we go further. As you can see, we have the eye container can be really bigger in the height, but now we have managed this thing. And so the eyes is the part on the top. I don't know if you remember. So we go for the eyes. It's this part on this thing. So I will go for a flex basis here of 50%. Okay, this is really good. What I do now, you see the eyes are there. But we must see the size. So we go here. I take just the white. The white is almost 10, so I will go for 10 for the border. So this is what we need here. I don't know if you are always follow me. We can watch if it's almost the same. Yeah, we can be maybe a little bit below, so we can check it if it's correct. Yeah, we can go for 9. I hope it's okay for you. So we can go for 9 here. Okay, this is good. We go for the same color than here. So this is a pure black, as you can see here. So we go for a pure black also here. Almost black, but yeah, this is something from take from the internet on the image, so we will go for a real black here. So this is good. And for the background color, it's transparent. No, because there is nothing inside. Okay, we have exactly the same. So now what I must do is just to split in the eyes in two. So what I will use, it will be some instruction just to create a mask. So I will go for a clip with the transform CSS, as you can see. Just a moment. So I take the website. So we can go for the clip path here. So what we do, we go for the eye. And I will try the clip path here. Okay, so this is what we need to do with the inset. So we will go here. Okay. And we will take some value just to remove some information. So how we do that? We go here. okay, and we can try. So I will go for is it correct? Normally it's direct, I think. No, so we go for just a moment, maybe the rectangle. I will go here, you can see it's not correct, so okay, just a moment. So I'm searching, so it will be normally, it's a clip. Okay, so this is not the clip path. We can put clip and we can put the clip rect. Okay, so I will try this. This is not okay. Okay, so we will go for another, maybe the clip inset. Okay. Okay, we will use the clip path inset. So I will put some pixel size. So as you can see, we can control. This is the incorrect direction, so I will do in the other direction here. This is correct. So now we have 40, as you can see. So we will put a little bit more, just to remove also the eyes to be exactly the same precision than here. So we can go for 30 to be sure. Yeah, this seems really good. Okay, so I've aligned the things, but now it's in you know, it's not correct because it's too much on the top. So I will go to the end of the things. So yeah, sorry, so this is here. So we go for the align item here, and we go for the flex end here. So yeah, this is much better. And after we have also something that we need. So this is at the end, but this is the container. We have also the eyes himself, so we can use that also for the align item here. So as you can see, we can see the difference here. Okay, so we are here. Maybe we can put I don't know, we can try yeah, this is better. Okay, so as you can see, we are there. So I will remove yeah, we have too much apart because the 8 is 40 now for the A. So we must you know, go for the top. So we go here and we will put that on the top here. Okay, this is much better, and we go here just to go there. This is really good. Okay, so as you can see, we have the eye container. This is must be 50% because we have the things there. Okay, so we can see here. Okay, okay, so as you can see, we have this color here that can indicate the eye container. Yeah, so this is, and we have the 8 here for the eyes, as you can see. So what we need to do, we need just, yeah, we can let like this. We will see that later. Okay, so what we can do now, we have the surface here for the mouth. We can just replace on the top also to be more on the top. Yeah, this is really what we need exactly. Okay, this is good. As you can see, we are there. but the part is more below. So what we can do, we will see that later for the month. So this is correct, so we can let like this. Okay. The eye seems smaller, so what I will do, I will maybe increase the inset just to be a little bit top, as you can see here. Okay, this is much better, and the white also is a little bit less, you know, white. So this is much better, and we can decrease maybe the clip path here. As you can see, we have that. Okay, this is good. What we can do now, we can remove the blue part here, and we can go for in the bubble, we can go for below to see the mouth part. Okay, I hope is it good. But we have some adjustment to do, but we will do that just after. Okay, so I go for the mouth here. So I take just the white of the mouth here. So we go here. We see it's a 90 pixel. So I go here. I go for the mouth here. So we have two parts. We have two parts. We have one part for the line that we can see here. And we have another part for so we can take line mouth, and we have also, so it will be the teeth, so we can put the teeth here, and here we can change for the white and also the color. So what I do, I go here, I take the 8. So this is 17 on 11, so the 8 means that is 11. Okay, so we can go for a 8 of 11, and we can put a white of I don't know, we can see better here. We can go for white for exactly the same, so we will go for 85. Okay, this is good. And I go for a color here for something white, for example. Okay, this is good. We are in DisplayFlex, so we are using the same principle. So we have the mouth container. We do that in DisplayFlex also, and we justify the content center, of course, and this seems really good. Okay, so now as you can see, the mouth has a space between, so we do exactly the same space here. So we are almost 23 for the 8. So we go for a margin top of 23 here. Okay, so this seems a little bit too much, so I will go yeah, we have the subtraction here for this thing. So what I can do, I can go only on 7, maybe, to be not to be too below. Is it okay? Okay, so as you can see, we have the part for the teeth. Okay, we go for the below part. We see that is a circle, so we will do a circle also. So what I do, I took exactly the same white of the teeth, and I'll take for the 8. I will watch what is the 8 here. So we have 33 for the 8. Okay, so this seems good. So inside we have the teeth, and we have inside we say open mouth here. This is good. I go for the open mouth here. We will go, if we go here, we was at around, I think, on the 833, yeah, 34. We can go for something like this, of course. So I go the 8 for 40, for example, and the white, we will put maybe the same white that we have for the teeth, so this is okay. And we can put a color because it will be really complicated to see that. Okay. And maybe another color because this color is not really easy to see. Okay, as you can see, it's there. We need there a flex direction in column just to place below the part that we need. So we go here. We need to place every element that we have seen in the column. So I go to the mouth and I put the flex direction to a column here. Okay, so it will be just below. It's not aligned in the center, so I align to the center. Okay, we don't need the justify content center, okay, because it must be on the top. This is really good. Okay, so now I'm using a border radius because we need to do that, you know, round. So this is good. But now, as you can see, it's almost the double. So I will double the things here. Okay, and we must do like we do the same than you know, below. So we need to keep only the half part of this thing. So what I will do exactly what we do for the clip-ins inset. Okay, and I will keep the other parts now, so I don't need, you know, the part on the top. So this will be totally the opposite. Okay, so we have this thing. Now I go to the margin tab, and I will just move this part on the top of the mouth. Okay, so we are recording the things. As you can see, we are almost there. So what we need now, we need another circle just for the part below. So what I will do the tongue. So I go here, I place the tongue just below. Okay, and what we do here, yeah, for the exercise I will just put, of course, in black, and now we can put the tongue here. Okay, so far so good. So now we go for the background color. It will be something red, because this is the color of the tongue, and we need to see you know, some precision. So we need to see this thing, what's the height. So I will watch better here. So this is 28. So okay, so exactly we need 28 on 20, so maybe something like that. So we will just adjust there. Okay, so what we do, we go here and we put the 8 for this thing. Okay, as you can see, the tongue is there. So what I will do, I will move that to the top, of course, because this is too much low. But we need also a border radius here of 50% to be really rounded. Yeah. And now I will move that to the top. So we will move that negatively, like the same height. Okay, so I go here. As you can see, we see nothing. Why? Because there is a Z index, no Z index. So we will do that by the Z index. So the first things I need to do is the tongue is the most on the top, and the open mouth is just a little bit behind. So as you can see with the Z index, you can manage the depth of the CSS also. Okay, we are almost at the end. So we go below, just to place the tongue in the correct place. So what I will do, I will do the clip inset like exactly we do, because we just need the half of this part. So what we go here, this is too much because the value is too high. So we go for we must see, so this is the incorrect, so I go for the other direction. Okay, so we can go here, it's the half, and after I can put down the month because it's too high. Okay, so now what we can do is remove the blue color, because it was just to see better what is this, but now we don't need that, so I will remove that. Okay, so as you can see, we have a small adjustment to do. So we need to move that a little bit on the top. So we go here. I will go a little bit on the top here, maybe not too much. Okay, and this is seems almost good. Okay, what we need also, we can do also for the eye less. As you can see, there is a less space on the left and on the right, so we will manage that also. So how we can do that, we have the eyes here, and we can see we have the Y for the eye to adjust. So what we can try, we will try a margin just to make a little bit space on the right. So I go to the eye, and we will try that. So I will manage that, matching left, for example. We can see a little bit. Okay, we need more space, as I can see. So exactly we need 25. So I will do exactly the same here to be consistent. Okay, and we need maybe we can try the padding just to see what's the effect here. So this is not the effect that we wanted. Okay, and we need the same for the right. So you have the eye container, I think, yeah. So this is you have two eye container. So we have the eye container for the left and the container for the right. So what I propose, it's eye left here, and here it will be eye right. Okay, this is good. I go for the eye left. So I remove that here. I go here. Okay, I will do the merging, and I do exactly the same for the eye right. Okay, so we can go here, and we can see the eye right. So we can put the matching right to 25. Okay, this is good. What we need also, some precision for inside, because we have the same, as you can see, on the inside. So I will take the half, for this from this thing. So this is 23. We can go for 24 to be 12 and 12 on each part. So I will do a margin right of 12. Okay, I hope you always follow me. And we can do exactly the same for the margin left, but on the opposite things. Okay, so this is good, but we have too much space. So now maybe we can divide also a little bit. Okay, Okay, now we need to adjust the size of the eyes. As you can see, we have put 50%, but maybe what we can do, I will just try, because the eyes was here, as you can see. Okay, normally we have the eye container here. We can search for the eye container. Okay, this is good. So I will try something just for the test. So we can see here. Okay, so we have nothing changing. Okay. Okay, so we will just adjust the white of the eye to 30, and this seems really good. So yeah, we have ending the tutorial. So we have create this guy just with the CSS. So just to recap, we have a lot of instruction from the CSS. The most part, it will be the clip path that you can just hiding a part of the CSS. Also, don't hesitate to check with the value, with of course with the paint, because we have some indication, but of another tool from painting. And also you can check the colors to be exactly the same, and don't hesitate to use the z-index to make some div, so you will see the layer on the top of another layer. So this is a really interesting topic to do, because it will challenge you. So you take an image and you try to create that just only with CSS. So this is really a good exercise, but you need some basic in CSS, of course, to do that. Yeah, so what you can see, we have the CSS here. I will put the distribution here in the code, of course, and also I invite you to do the same, to create other emoji. Maybe you can start, of course, with the simple one, and after you can go further to go something more more complicated, of course. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and we will see for our next tutorial. Thank you to follow me. Bye.